Okay, so this problem was suggested yesterday in a cybermath premiere by Tomioka Giyuu or something. I don't know, anime name. So yeah, x and y are natural numbers. Xy plus y is 71. X square y plus xy square is 880. Find x square plus y square. So okay, so first we'll just write x plus y. Isolate x plus y in both equations. Okay, so this is 71 minus xy. Yep, that makes sense. And for this one we have, okay, let's see. So factoring out an xy, we get an x plus y, right? This should be equal to 880. So x plus y is equal to 880 over xy, right? That makes sense from that. Okay, so yeah, so we'll combine these two equations. Therefore 71 minus xy is 880 over xy. Okay, so multiplying both sides by xy, we get 71 xy minus xy squared is 880. Okay, and I'm just gonna keep it that way. There's a reason for that. You'll see. Okay, so 880, right? Let's move these things to this side, right? So xy whole squared minus 71 xy plus 880. These signs change and this one remains constant. The sign of them, I'm telling. So yeah, and this should be equal to 0. Now we use the quadratic formula, right? So by the quadratic formula, xy, let's see, so minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Yeah, that's the quadratic formula. So b is minus 71, so we get 71 plus or minus the square root of, well, minus 71 squared minus 4. Okay, let's increase this. 4ac, so a is 1 and c is 880, right? And this is all over 2 because a is 1. Okay, and then we get 71 plus or minus square root of 5041. Yeah, that makes sense. Minus well, okay, 880 times 4, 880, 4, so 4 0 are 4, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 35, 3520. Does that make sense? Wait, what? I guess that makes sense. I don't know. Over 2, so 5041. Let's see, 5041 minus 3520. Okay, so that's 1, that's 2. This becomes a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and 1521. So 71 plus or minus the square root of 1521 over 2. Now you can check 1521 is 39 squared. So 71 plus or minus 39 over 2. Now we get two solutions from here. So xy is either equal to 71 plus 39 over 2, or xy is 71 minus 39 over 2. And we can solve for xy from here. So xy is, let's see, so 71 plus 39 is 80, so that becomes 110, and that's 55. And for this one, xy is, well, okay, so 41, then 32. 32 over 2 is 16. So xy is 16, right? That makes sense. And now, okay, so we have xy. Yeah, so now, okay, x plus y whole squared, I think we can use that. Yeah. So I'll take the value of 16, xy is equal to 16 first, right? So for xy equals 16, yeah, we'll see. So x plus y is x plus y. Now let's take the whole square of that stuff. right? And square is, well, okay, let's wait, right? Yeah, let's not directly do that, okay? So, first of all, okay, you know what? I think I'll use 55 first. That seems more convenient. So 55, right? Okay, so we have x plus y is 880 over xy from this equation. So that's 880 over 55. Now we can say that's 8 times 11 times 10 over 5 times 11. The 11's cancel out. It's 80 over 5, which is, and this is x plus y, right? Yeah. 80 over 5 is, what is it, 9? No, wait, it's 16. Yeah, 16. Okay. Plus y is 16. Yeah, is it? Okay. So we'll take the square of both sides. X plus y whole square is 256. 16 square is 256. So x square plus y square plus 2xy is 256. X square plus y square is 256 minus 2 times 55. Yep, that makes sense. 256, 2 times 55 is 110. So we get 146, is it? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna write it out. I don't know for sure actually. 256 is minus 110, yeah. 256. 10, okay, that's 6. That's 4. That's 1. That's 146. 146. Yeah, that's for one of the solutions for xy equals 55. Okay, now we'll take for xy is 16. Okay, now we'll try to solve it in less steps because I don't have much space left. So x plus y is yeah, that's easy enough. Let's use 71 minus xy now because that seems more convenient. Okay, 71 minus 16. 71 minus 16 x plus y. Okay, let's just write it out here. So yeah, 71 minus 16. Okay, so let's see, that's 51 plus 4 is 55, I think, right? Is it 55? Yeah, I think that's 55. So that's actually pretty symmetrical. 55, 16, 55, 16. Symmetrical. I like that. That's an interesting fact. Okay. So, okay, let's square both sides. X plus y whole square is square 55. Let's see. Not minus. So 5 5s are 25. Let's see. So 5 5s are 27. Yeah. 5 2 3025. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Alright. I guess we could have done that with that click. I didn't want to. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So, yeah, that 3025. Yep. We could have done that with that Vedic math trick. I guess I didn't need to. So whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna directly write it out, right? X square plus y square is 3025 minus 2xy. Now xy is 16 right now. So this is 3025 minus 2 times 16, which is, so that's 32. So 025 minus 32. Okay, so that's 2993. Does that make sense? X square plus y square. Those are the two solutions. Oh, interesting. Wait. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna consider this one, right? Yeah, I think we'll just consider the 55 one because that one seems much better, you know? Yeah. Okay, so this solution, honestly, I don't like it. I like this 146 one. But you know what? We can do it that way too. So yeah, that's the solution, and I guess, we'll see if this is correct in some time. And yeah, that's pretty nice.